ya di ni we ma veni gwana okuna oro toto mana.
Okay, well.
Okay, man. Or we call him Messi Bavanesi.
The video, now don't watch am. I so surprised seeing this boy and this very woman. Anybody from both in diaspora, both in Edo, who know this woman, where about this woman, and where about this Atiti, please contact me. I volunteer of giving that person 2 million. Please, I beg you all. This Atiti, where his family is, and this woman, where he is, where he's living, I need their address. I've contacted my lawyer to sue them. Atiti, Atiti ati wekuweko kwoni. Erinu watana. Ese we ware we be wa fi we ya yiri wa de. Otalo bo ano ya mo ye ni edo pa ware. Umarere yari ye we be ido tu we. Etere ni pe atere ni hu wa domo wa be wa to wa gbon wa pe. Kenoro wa kenorisi. Ope agbore ye gbe dade mi ago aloy. Trouble go dey sleep, Yanga go go wake am. Before I say anything, I'm gonna watch this video. When I watch and finish, I dey come back and tell una what it play.
Odudu na. Elle not payé. Where working Tony Kabaka. Logide Canada na. Where in Dubai. Baba, Oba Fione. Iji. Awe ah. Vetoni Kabaka iwo woman. Woman. Ona you kameme owo okeke. Etoni Kabaka e ona viwe ya gwo wani.
Oba meji.
Ona ya gwo wani bi ya kamame o. But okuna we do ya kan we vo e wetin e mu e. Yiri mu e okuna na yin vembo.
Eyo.
Bini e tala jo dudu na. Owo ma pefa obi en okuna na so ahon mi. No dion. Ona de bo fun yan gbe. Owo ma pefa that stroke that fin yan gbe stroke more than 10 years ya dey stroke that fin yan gbo ma fo so.
Okay.
Owi yogo we mi. No that so kokugbo owe mi we ni ya ka magbon. Owi yo prophet. Oh prophet we ni ya ka magbon. Alowe prophet no do na ni an. Oni that ke joko da yasun. Oni we e social media. Ẹ̀yin náà ka me no boy opepa na che Atiti we to o temata. Eya di ni we ma we ni gwana okuna oro toto mana.
Okay, well.
Okay, man. Or we call him Messi Bavanesi.
The video, now don't watch am. I so surprised seeing this boy and this very woman. Anybody from both in diaspora, both in Edo, who know this woman, where about this woman, and where about this Atiti, please contact me. I volunteer of giving that person 2 million. Please, I beg you all. This Atiti, where his family is, and this woman, where he is, where he's living, I need their address. I've contacted my lawyer to sue them for cyber bullying and a deformation of character. Because what I just saw in this video, I think this is more than enough. This is more than enough. A video is more than enough. This video because I don't wire. This video is more than enough. And I will not take this lightly. I married my wife in New Okay, so Ibi mẹ́rọ̀ mi náà pa máa wí máa máa wọ́n kà mẹ́rọ̀ màmá gbé. Màrọ̀ ó títì mẹ́gbẹ́ títì yẹn tiẹ̀ mẹ́kì náà mi ẹ̀ ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà ta ni òkú nínú táìmù ẹ̀ kí yẹn kí yá ìlọ́yà ni a sọ yẹn ẹ̀rí ilé sùn wàá ní ẹ̀wé tó ní Kabaka wà gbé kan. Mẹ́ ìyá ìgbò ẹ̀mẹ̀ ìdá gbò ẹ̀mẹ̀ wọ́n tó bọ̀ wọ́n kí yẹn sọ mẹ́ police. Ní ilé police náà dé náà wọ̀ ta lẹ́nu ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà kú wọnú làbẹ̀ náà. Then the police àtàyè family ọ̀gẹ́gbẹ̀ I'm waiting for you. Wọ́n ẹ̀ wẹ́ yes man lẹ́nu ẹ̀zọ́ ẹ̀ mà yára ìlàyé. Dọ́k yàrá ni respect gbẹ̀ ẹ̀ máa mi wọ́ọ̀dù ọ̀nà. Ó títí dó títí àti wẹ̀kúwẹ̀kọ̀ kú ní. Èrì ni wàá tá náà. Ẹ̀sẹ̀ wo wàá rẹ̀wé bò wá sí ìwé yàrá ìwà bẹ́. Ọ̀tà ló bọ̀ ọ̀nà yá mọ̀ yẹn ní ẹ̀dọ́ pàwárì. Ń má rere yàrá ìyẹ̀wé bò ìdòtú rẹ̀. A video rẹ̀ guy nẹ̀. I will sue you anywhere in the world. I have that capacity. I will sue you anywhere in the world. Okuomi, de Nigeria ye over no lao. No give Okuna mame. No give boy mame. Eke nena me do the one no come mame no do that. Odudu is my junior brother. Odudu oteme mekere. Odudu oteme mekere Odudu. Ọtí èlòdì olóore London the senior brother ní ìmẹ̀dì ọ́nì ìdíyẹmẹ̀ Odudu ìdí òdì ohun we are the same family the same Isomobo from Isomobo orí láìsò orí Isomobo ẹ̀ màá ní. Now ìmẹ̀ èkèlè ń dáná lọ́gùn ọ̀nà ìmẹ̀ ìyẹn àárẹ̀ ìwé àdé ìyẹn àbá wọn wá ọ̀sàlẹ́bà no problem wá àwọn ènìyàn ẹ̀dọ́pá ọ̀sàlẹ́bọ̀ àánú bí màá yóò yá ó kàn gbé. And beside that, I will sue you. I'm coming to abroad. I will sue you. I'm coming to abroad to sue you. I will play your video and you will go with my petition. I'm going to sue you. Òkú ọ̀nà ìwọ̀n náà wà á no láàánú támà rẹ̀. Ọ̀gbẹ́ wẹ̀wẹ̀ náà pẹ̀ èrí ẹ̀dẹ́ wá pé àwọn owó kí mẹ́. Wọ́n pè àwọn owó kí mẹ́ orí mẹ́rin ọ̀bẹ̀ náà gbẹ́. Nàìjọ́dá ẹgbẹ́ ìwé ìrìn àná mẹ́kì ló máa sùn níwò ìyún dáná Odudu ọ̀tẹ́rẹ́ lè kéré nà Odudu ọ̀rẹ́ family ọ̀rọ̀ tí ọ̀wọ̀ kàn rẹ̀ Odudu nàrà náà ìyàmì owó kí náà yẹ ẹ̀rá o Odudu náà mi owó kí náà máa ẹ̀rá o ọ̀tí owó kí náà di ọ̀nà tí ẹ yẹ́rọ gan yẹ́nà gan náà rítalè ọ̀rọ̀ Odudu ní ẹ́ wọ́n bẹ́ èèyàn tí rẹ̀ ẹ̀sí olóyè náà ìfìyà Odudu yìí nìyẹn Odudu náà bọ̀ á prọfẹ̀sà ẹ̀mẹ́ wé ènìyàn ní ẹ́ náà wọ́n ẹ̀fà ẹ̀dẹ̀ wúlò ìfamílì hàn ìmọ̀gbọ̀n náà sà ná gbẹ́gbẹ̀ Odudu ọ̀tẹ́rẹ́ wẹ̀ mìírí wẹ̀ máa tá ní mẹ́ nítorí Kabaka ọ̀rọ̀ sì gbìnà nìmọ̀ Odudu ọ̀mọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ pẹ́tí lè mẹ́kẹ̀ ní ẹ̀ náà mìírí ní àtàrà. Iná wọn dúdú wẹ̀ náà ti mẹ́ wẹ̀ mìírí lè gbọ́ tí owó kí mẹ́ wẹ̀ máa tá ní mẹ́ wẹ̀ náà yàtọ̀ mọ́ tí owó kí mẹ́ lójú. Gbogbo ẹ̀yà ká kí mẹ́kù wá sí kẹ̀yàfẹ́ that was it and the matter àwárẹ̀ bí àwárẹ̀ rẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìmẹ́kẹ̀lẹ̀ ìrún dáná náà mi ègbè mọ́tàmọ́tà ó máa náà kú ìbẹ̀rù àṣọ wàá kú ìbẹ̀rù àbọ̀n ó máa kú ìbẹ̀rù àbọ̀n wàá kú ìbẹ̀rù òbí ẹ̀ mọ́tàmọ̀wẹ̀ wà ní ìwé wàá fi ìwà yí láwò náà ẹgbẹ́ ni a dẹ́kun ọ̀tún ẹgbẹ́ ni a dẹ́kun ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ni wọ́n àwọn wà ní wẹ̀rí. Ọ̀rọ̀ ní ìwé fídíò náà yà á pẹ̀lú ìgbọ́ náà wọ́n wé kìrìsìtà lómi ọ̀nà sọ ẹ̀ ló bí ẹgbẹ́ ìwé náà mà ní ó títì lọ́rọ̀ náà bí ọ̀gbà ẹ̀ náà bí ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ mà mẹ́wàá láwọ̀ owó ìgbò ẹ̀yẹ náà bí ẹ̀ mà mẹ́wàá láwọ̀ náà bí ẹ̀ mà mẹ́ ìmọ̀lì ìwà àárọ̀ rẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ gbogbo mọ̀lì ìgbà yà gbọ́ lọ́wọ́ fún because we are only were trained since we are only were trained maybe only were trained you give me cyber problem I will give you cyber beating I'm not afraid of that you will cry to the law enforcement agency I will face it too because you created the problem that caused your problem the law is very there and one thing I will let you know what you have caused in my family. And I will let you know in Benin tradition it's a taboo what you have caused in my family. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. A lot of people have been doing this thing because people in the hospital, because people that know me, I will forgive and forget. I think this, I will never. Because the way this guy was talking on this video, man, what have I done to deserve this now? One way, I'm a traditional man for God's sake. A full traditional man. I'm not just a pushover. I'm a strong traditional man. And you are saying this. I want to use this. My wife, please disregard this video. Don't mind them. I want to beg you, please focus on my family. And don't mind them, please. You have seen a lot because of me, because you married to a popular man. But it's all good. Anybody that wants to trend will want to use me to trend. I think the security agency in Benin, they are watching what is happening. So if I'm paying them back, they will also run to them. Don't worry, my wife, just take it calm. You know your husband. So please, thank you.